My name's Chris. I have a 4-year-old German Shorthair Pointer, and we're having trouble walking her, so we're going to give the new collar a shot.
Well, guys, who normally walks the dog?
That'd be the dog walker.
That would be me. I walk the dog. She pulls and needs something to stop her from pulling so we can walk her. She's pulling. Oh yeah, she's pulling. She's headed for the lake. Okay. Whoa. Oh. Swans are hissing. Oh.
Okay, great, guys. We're going to try the SafeCalm collar and see how it goes, okay?
Sounds good.
Okay, guys, let's put on the SafeCalm collar and see how it goes. Over the head and then over the snout. Take your rubber stopper and pull it down. And then what we're going to do, we're going to take off the safety clip here. I like to do the center mount. That's when we put it underneath the dog's collar right there. And then we attach our safety clip here. And then onto your dog's regular collar. Okay? And then we put our leash on. Now what I like to do is I like to make sure before we start, we just use the regular leash so the dog can get used to the collar. Okay, so if the dog tries to get the collar off, we just give a correction and keep walking. And as you can see, she's becoming a lot more calmer with the collar on. And obedient. Let's see. Sit. Okay, now remember, we're going to start our walk without attaching the regular dog leash to the SafeCalm collar. That's just so the dog gets used to the collar. So let's give it a shot. Now remember, when you're walking her the first time, you can walk her any way that you want. Ready?
Ready?
Let's go.
Off we go. Come on.
If she tries to take the collar off, simply grab her regular collar and give it a quick little snap. How's that so far, Gail?
Great. She's doing much better.
That's okay. Remember, we haven't attached the leash yet.
Oh, so she's just doing a regular.
Right. We just want her to get used to the collar.
Okay.
Okay, stop. Have your dog sit. Now we want to attach the leash to the dog's SafeCalm collar.
Here?
Correct. Now, when we walk and she moves in any other direction other than forward, we just give a very gentle tug. Shh, shh, shh,
Okay.
shh. Okay?
Yep.
Let's try it.
Let's go. Come on. Good girl. Wow. I don't even need to correct her. She's just walking.
How long did that take, Gail?
30 seconds, if that. Actually, it didn't even take 30 seconds. It's like magic. There we go. Look at that.
Now we're going to take her right by the water because that's where she got really excited.
Right, with the swans and the ducks.
We're by the water now.
I have never seen anything like this before. She usually goes nuts, goes chasing, wants to jump in the lake and go after the swans and the ducks. And nothing.
Can you have her
Look
sit?
at her. Sit. All the way. Thank you. Good girl.
Gail, would you recommend the SafeCalm Collar?
I would more than recommend it. I would say if you don't get one, you're crazy. This thing is the best invention since sliced bread.
Okay, Gail, let's take the dog back to Chris, and then let's see if Chris's little daughter can walk him. How old is she?
Oh, she's little, maybe 2, if that. Off we go. Oh, look at her, she's waiting for her. Look how nice she's walking. See? Now you could take her for walks all by yourself. Well, not quite by yourself.
I like how she's not cowering away. With the harnesses, usually she's cowering, trying to get away from us.
So you've tried other products then?
Absolutely. We've tried an easy harness that's supposed to clamp their legs together. We've tried the pinch collars, choke collars.
And let's stop for a second. And go sit. Sit, Lexi. Sit.
Okay, Chris, would you recommend the SafeCalm Collar?
Yes, it worked in about 30 seconds to take my pulling dog to a dog that my 3-year-old daughter was able to walk.
Well, she's a changed dog very, very quickly. Just a great collar all around. I would recommend it to anybody. It's just fabulous. She's got your eyes.
Ella, did you like the collar?
Yeah.
Well, we have an extra treat here. Kim, Chris's wife, just came home, and she's going to walk the dog because she had a really difficult time walking the dog also. You ready, Kim?
I'm ready.
How's that so far, Kim?
It's wonderful. It's great.
Well, Kim, I see you're improvising here. You're able to hold your child and walk the dog.
Yeah, it's really easy. Sit. Good girl.
Okay, Kim, would you recommend the SafeCalm Collar?
I would recommend the SafeCalm Collar very much. Great product. I run her a lot and I think it'd really help.